What's up everybody, ThruBuilder here. Welcome back to the Daynator channel. Today's episode we're going to talk about my new Harbor Freight US General 30-inch service cart. Recently you saw my twin brother, aka the Daynator, put together his US General 5-drawer cart. Well, today I went to Harbor Freight to get a engine hoist leveler for my Ranger project, and while I was in there I took a look at their service carts. I really didn't have the money to spend on a 5-drawer cart, so I went with this 30-inch service cart with a single drawer, and after coupon I think I got it for about $100. Well, here she is. Been working on my Ranger project here, and my father-in-law has a small service cart in his shop here, and got me to thinking this would be nice to have around my garage when I'm working on my stuff in my driveway. So, and then of course the Daynator bought his 5-drawer chest, and he was singing its praises. It was very convenient, very helpful to have around his garage and working on his vehicles. So I thought, you know what, let's pull the trigger on this. I actually wanted the orange one, but they were out, so I went with the green one. I just wanted some kind of a bright, obnoxious color, just because everything else I have is either red or black, so it's kind of nice to have something with a little splash of color in it. Like I said, I got this, I think with a coupon ended up being about $100. I have their low profile 3-ton jacks at home, and I've got an orange one and a green one, so I wanted something to match. I wanted the orange one first, but they're sold out. Box of hardware, keys to lock it, constructions. There's the drawer, pull handles, and the bottom tray. First glance, everything appears to be in good shape out of the box. Plastic casters. 2 bags of hardware and the keys. These are pretty straightforward. You just bolt it all together. Pretty nice little cart. I'd say just from the visuals of it that it's worth the $100 that I spent on it. Pretty heavy duty and feels pretty robust. It does have a sliding drawer on it that I have to unlock first. It's got a little foam rubber pad in it. I think I'll probably get some foam rubber for the top as well. But ball bearing slides, easy to open, easy to lock as well. Got a lower tray on the bottom. So not too shabby. Time will tell as I begin to use this thing just how robust it'll be, or be able to handle the abuse that I'm going to throw at it. If you happen to have one of these carts, leave a comment down below and tell us how you like it. Is there any little upgrades you can do to your cart to kind of make it better for yourself? Throw that in the comments down below as well. Harbor Freight's really stepping up their game with these carts. As you saw the previous video that the Daynator did on his 5-drawer cart and some extra accessories he bought for it, he seems to like it and really uses it a lot. So kind of got me sold on looking at these, and appreciate you guys watching. Your claws hurt. That'll wrap it up for this video. Appreciate you guys watching. Hit that like switch on your way out. If you're so inclined, hit that subscribe button as well. And God bless. See you next time.